Hello Indigos, happy Wednesday. Today we are on Wednesday, the third day of the week, okay? And today we are going to talk about something super curious, something called food chains, okay? Do you have any idea of what is that? Okay, so for start talking about this thing, we have to talk about the fact that every living plant and or animal need energy to survive, right? For example, the plants need soil, water and sun to survive, and animals eat plants as well as other animals for energy, okay, because everybody needs energy. A food chain describes how different organisms eat each other, starting out with a plant and ending with an animal. Okay. For example, look. Here we have a food chain. Okay. We have the grass that needs the sun for energy, the grasshopper that eats the grass, the mouses that eat the grasshopper, the snake that eat the mouses, and the eagle that eat the snakes. Okay, so this is a food chain. Okay. For example, and then inside this food chain we have different levels. Okay, for example, look. The grass is called the producer, okay, the producer. Why? Because they produce energy for the ecosystem. The plants do it through the photosynthesis, that you know it because we were talking about that last day. The plants are the only place where new energy is made. Okay, the plants are the producers of energy, and then they give all the energy to the consumers. The rest of the animals are the consumers. We have the consumers because they don't produce any energy, they just use it up for them. Okay, as you know, there are herbivore animals. For example, the grasshopper. Look. So to the herbivore animal, we call them primary consumer, okay, in the food chain. And then we also have the carnivore animals that we call them secondary consumers. For example, in this case, these little mice are called secondary consumers, okay, and then the snake is the tertiary consumer, and then the eagle is the quaternary consumer, okay, and these can go up and up and up, but it's quite difficult to be on the top of the chains because there is always always some animals that are eating the rest of the animals, okay, and that's why we call that food chains. And we do need this kind of food chain to produce new plants, new energy, and for everybody to survive on the earth. Okay, so that's all about food chains. I hope you like the video, and see you tomorrow in the next one. Bye, see you tomorrow.